What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Baja TV and I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm finna show y'all how to upgrade your M8 Road King or any Road King that you have. So with that being said, let's get into the video. What I'm finna do is, I'm finna tint my headlight out. So I'm gonna be the first one to ever do that. I'm finna tint it out and make it dark. So when it's like a race bike, but it's gonna make my headlight darker. So I bought these Baja style lights. They can turn yellow or white. And I'm gonna add it to the bike. So we're finna see. I'm gonna show you how we're doing it, and I'm gonna get on with the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I done took all the screws off the tank and everything, so we can look to take up and run the lines through it. You see the lines? So we got all these lines right here. We got a fuse, and we got these two right here. Of course, goes on the battery, and we're gonna run this. You got a light and everything. So with that being said, we do that part. Let's get on with it.
Toriana, Monique, Bitiana, Shanice, Krista, Unique, India, Harry, nameless, are you nameless? Nameless, are you nameless? Nameless, are you nameless? Nameless, are you nameless? Painless, are you painless? Painless, are you painless? Only time I call when it's raining. How you for my dog and you a human? I'ma give you some of my shame, you need some more. Shout to me, yeah, but what's her name? I don't know. Am I recovering from amnesia? Whoa, put it in the belly by the name of Keisha. No, so I make her sick by the name of Keisha.
So as y'all see, we just connected that side. Now we're finna do the positive side. And I'm gonna get back with y'all when we test the lights out. Alright, YouTube, so we just hooked everything up. We're finna test these lights, how much do they work. Look for that button with the light switch on it. Just follow it. Yeah. Let's see if it works, y'all. Alright. So I don't know what color this is supposed to be. It's supposed to be yellow and white. Change the mode. So you got the flashing one. Got the yellow. Try it again. Try it again. So that's just pure white right here. So I don't know if I want to go. Alright, so this white right here, and this yellow. Hey, y'all get at me. Yeah, we get Baja. We probably had to be doing here though, so. I bet, that's a good. So, you smell something burn? Oh Lord, y'all, some burning something on this bike about to catch on fire, one or the other.
This bike ain't gonna catch your foot.
So now we finna just make sure all these other wires are cleaned up, tuck them under the bike, then we're gonna do the brackets for the lights. I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Alright, so YouTube, we just put this bracket on, we're screwing it in right now. Alright, hold on. We on to something, man. That look alright. Alright, do this one. You took this one all the way down? It's first tight one,
Yeah, that's all right.
I don't think it's going nowhere. It shouldn't be going nowhere. Especially when I got, yeah, it ain't going nowhere. Alright, so with that being said, boom, so we're finna get this show on the road. Alright, turn this way. See, I slip one right there just so it can match up with them up top.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me step on it. I slip on it right there though, I ain't gonna kill. Go all the way see if it hit. hidden? For real? Alright, we'll turn back.
It's good.
Stay still in the same spot?
Same spot.
Now, I want to ask you a question. You like that? So you two, let me know if y'all like this position now and move up a little bit and right there. Or do y'all like this one to match up with my turn signal? Now, I feel like you let me know which one you like. If I go LED at nighttime, I probably match up. Or I go this one right here and then be like sleek and just, you know what I mean, sleek and clean look. That's what I think too, like low key look.
Yeah, I like that. Laid back.
Yeah, low key.
Oh, yeah.
So when it's off, nobody will be like, what's that on your bike?
Exactly. You don't even know what's going on.
All right, hold it one more time. Solid right now. So I want to go white. Solid. That's your foot too. Go over in, go in some more. In. Back out a little bit. That's kind of hard right there. I ain't gonna lie. Shine up, turn it. Oh shit, that shit bright as fuck. God damn. I can't see nothing, bro.
That's how I got it.
I think that's it right there.
Yeah, right here.
Right? My thing is I'm gonna show you my wires, the one right here. Oh, it's on without the dang bike being on. I forgot about that. Yeah. So look, y'all, the bike is off, as y'all can see. Oh, well, the bike. Wait, how? The bike off, but the light's still on, as y'all can see. Hit it one more time. Got the yellow got the white and yellow. Yellow flashing. Yellow flash. So I'm gonna give y'all a nighttime POV in a minute. So I'm gonna finish the other side up and then we're gonna get back with y'all in a minute. You did? Y'all don't worry about this part. It's not 10. I just put that in there so give me an example how a bike would look. But as you can see, you got boom. And you got boom. So right now you two are finna hook these wires up and hide them under the tank, and then we're gonna get on with the build, man. We got the lights mounted, but something happened with the fuse. As you can see, fuse right there I got in my pocket. Let me see if I can find it for y'all. So you can see the fuse blown. That was right here. So with that said, I'm gonna go to AutoZone real quick, buy a new one, and then we're gonna get on with the video. Get to the AutoZone. We get the fuses. Switch it. Oh yeah. Alright, you two, so we found the problem. So when I put the screw down for the tank, we accidentally cut the wire and it kept blowing the fuses and everything. We bought like a whole bunch of fuses, y'all see, they kept blowing. But we found, we're gonna tape it up and we're gonna see if it's the problem. I'll get back with y'all boys in a minute. Gonna try it real quick. We're gonna see if that's the problem or not.
I'm just gonna be on the safe side.
It's a fuse though. Fuse supposed to go in smooth without shocking.
Let's see.
Yes, sir. Yeah. We gonna do it up, baby. Yeah. Yeah, man. They bright. I troubleshoot that motherfucker. It's one white and one. Oh, I need to change the color. Hey, go hit the button. Hit the motors for me. Don't step on it. Let's see what it's looking like. Hit the motors for me. Oh, see, they on two different timing. Go ahead. Go ahead. All right, they on the same. Oh wait, now they on different times. All right. Just keep going. I'm gonna tell you when they match up. This bitch is working, dog. Woo. I'm gonna change these lights right here to LEDs. It's gonna be LED'd out. Yeah. Dude, we're finna go for a ride and we're gonna see how they look on the road. Dude, we took the bike on the first little test ride. See how the lights looking. I got them in the blue mode right now. Being said, man, that's the install on my M8 Road Glide. I ain't done. I'm gonna tune back in on this video this weekend and show you my tinted headlight and my headlight trim. But with that being said, I'm gonna ride on the street, show you all the modes and how they look for nighttime. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and tell me how you feel about the lights. The Baja look to it, you know what I'm saying? The Baja, this is how it look. I'm at the gas station right now, but see how it look. The yellow light, as you can see, I can see everything. I'm gonna give y'all some rider footage with the yellow light, see how it look when it's coming towards you. In 3, 2, 1. I done turned the Road King up with the Highway Road King. As y'all know, this is gonna be my road bike this year. I'm finna go to Houston in a minute. Come on. So as y'all know, this will be my road bike for Houston. I'm going to Houston this weekend, so y'all tap in with me. But as y'all know, the lights work with the bike being off also. So as y'all can tell, the lights is off. I can change all the modes. You can watch how you stay right. I'm gonna change all the modes. Change all the modes. And then, hold on. Just like that? Oh, wait. Just like that is off, man. So, man, if you like this video, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. But before the video ends, though, I'm going to check back in later on this week when I show y'all my tinted headlight and this. So, with that being said, I appreciate y'all for watching. That's gonna be the end of the video. You dig? Look what I came in. Got the LED turn signals. We go with the bike. So we're gonna put these on. And I'm gonna get back with y'all when I put them on. We gotta get this tinted still, but we still got turn signals. Yeah, man. So we put the turn signals on today. They looking pretty good. LED turn signals. I just gotta get my headlight tinted for real, and after that we on with the tinted, you know what I'm saying? It look good though, I ain't gonna lie.